This is Daria, a health clinic worker in rural Bangladesh. Now, every day, Daria sees many patients with fevers, some bacterial, some viral, some not even infectious. But Daria has neither the training nor the tools to identify which patients have bacterial infections and require antibiotics, so she prescribes antibiotics to most patients, including those who don't require them. And some patients who do require antibiotics end up not getting them or getting the wrong types. And this indiscriminate prescribing is a big problem because it drives antibiotic resistance, which is a global health emergency, especially in our part of the world, where antibiotics are becoming increasingly ineffective. However, like you and me, Daria has a smartphone, which brings me to the second part of my story about the potential solution. So in my PhD, I've developed an app that will allow Daria to enter data like patient age, sex, symptoms, vital signs like heart rate, and it will also allow Daria to enter results of simple tests that she does have, for example, malaria rapid tests. The app has been programmed with rules devised by experts to interpret these various pieces of information to generate a diagnosis and recommend a treatment plan, which will direct antibiotics only to those most likely to have bacterial infections, therefore driving down the overall number of prescriptions of antibiotics as well. But before the app can be widely rolled out, we need to be really sure that it is indeed better than what Daria and her colleagues are currently doing. So I'm going to run a trial in rural Cambodia and Bangladesh. This trial will compare 30 clinics that use the app with 30 similar other clinics that do not. Each group of clinics will enroll 5,000 patients with fever for a total of 10,000 patients. And this large number will allow me to ascertain whether the proportion of patients with fever prescribed antibiotics in the group of clinics that use the app is truly lower than in the group of clinics that do not use the app. And if this hypothesis is true, then the app is effective and we can recommend its implementation to help Daria and her colleagues make better clinical decisions when treating patients with fever, ultimately reducing antimicrobial resistance. Ladies and gents, my research in 3 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.